Mahirap, pero hindi imposible. When God planted a vision in your heart, it's always for a greater purpose. Pansin mo ba na madalas yung mga pangarap natin ay mas malaki kaysa sa laman ng bulsa natin? Parating mas malaki kaysa sa mga kakayahan natin. It is because God wants us to rely mainly on Him. Your dreams can be bigger, but nothing's too hard for God. Nilagay ng Diyos yung pangarap na yan sa puso mo, hindi para gawin mo ng mag-isa. Hindi para gawin sa oras na gusto mo, at hindi para gawin sa paraan na alam mo. It may be planted in your heart, but it is still under His care. Mangyari ang kalooban ng Panginoon. May mga pagkakataon na matatakot kang humakbang. But remember that the step that you are afraid to take might be the step that you need. I may be weak, but God is strong in my life. I may be limited, but He is limitless. Lord, do it in the most impossible way, so I don't have any chance to boast about how great I am, but how faithful you are in my life. With love and prayers, Noel.